Going to be parting out this 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ model. It has a 400 cubic inch engine. It's real clean looking. Not sure if it's been overhauled, but it's very, very clean, very original looking. It is a 4-barrel. Selling it complete with all the accessories, including air cleaner right down to the oil pan, alternator, all the bracketry, and the automatic transmission is going to come with it also. Real smooth, strong running engine. Got a little exhaust leak on the passenger side, but it runs real smooth. I think a guy could clean up this engine, paint it up, and put it right into whatever project you might be working on. We will ship it too. Thanks.